Hey, welcome to the demo video of AI PodVids. It's the best AI podcast tool ever created online. So let me show you how it works. These are all the pre-built characters still. Now let us build a character from scratch. You can clone your face. You can create a custom character. You can even upload a character. Then you can also clone your voice. Okay, so let me show you how to create a custom character first. Here you can write the name of a character. Let's say Austin. You know, to be male or maybe a wellness coach. Here you can give all the details about what kind of outfit you want them to wear, the colors, all the specific, anything that you want. And then you can select you want him as a guest or a both. So let's select both so that I can show you how it works. Then click on create both characters. And in some time you'll create the character. Let me show you a few other examples. Okay, this is Lisa that I created a few hours back. Here I uploaded the image of Lisa and it created with the host site and the guest site. Okay, so let me show you also how to clone your face. Meanwhile, the characters are getting generated. Okay, so here we are going to upload one of our pic. Let me use God of pic. Let's try one of the sunglasses. Okay, open. Let's call him Gary. We are just going to create guest site for this. Okay, I want to keep the same outfit, did the same t-shirt and a blazer. You can give more directions, but I'm just going to keep it this much only. Create podcast character. Okay, so the Austin host is ready to go and character carry that's updated by putting an image. It's look perfect and it looks exactly like the image we uploaded and he's looking cool. Okay, now let me show you how to create a podcast here. You go and click on create pod and there are three formats here. Solo spotlight, dual mix. I'm going to show you these two. So just name it Malance. Okay. So we're going to create a solo spotlight where there will be a solo podcaster and it's great for one voice, one song, opinion, like authority-based content, monologues. So let's select the character that we just created. Let's select Gary. Let's do it for 24. Let's go and click on next. Now niche, we selected finance. I can just go and directly select finance, or now here you can actually type the keyword, whatever keyword you want. So our topic was personal finance. Let's put personal finance only here. So what kind of content we want? These are all the kind of templates that go viral on social medias, and we created all of these for you. So let's select this. Stop believing this. You can even integrate a product if you want to promote something by enabling here. You can add a product name, product details, call to action, but we're not going to do this here. Now just click on generate script. So here is our script for 2 clips. Stop living that budgeting is punishment. Okay, this looks great. You can even go and edit this. You can delete this. You can add your own script lines here. Now you can use the default studio, or we can upload our own, or we can and use one of the app studio there, or you can even generate studio with AI. Okay, there are 19 different kind of studio. Let's just go with a normal default one. In the Duo, I will show you how the kind of studios work. Let's click on next. This is Gary, our default studio. Let's prepare the scenes. There are 3 scenes. We are going to generate them one by one. Okay, so our first clip is ready. So let me generate the other 2 clips, and then I'm going to show you how to make other adjustment. Okay, so all our clips are ready. So let's go to the next step. And now here we can go and listen to our script, how it came out. You can add the captions, you can add background music. We can also add voice customization. Let me first do one thing. Let's go and enable the captions. I can increase the size, decrease the size. I can select the bold. And I can change the text color. We can also change the position. Then we will change the color actually. Stop believing that budgeting is a punishment. It's actually the path to financial freedom. And the damage comes when we associate budgeting with deprivation instead of empowerment and clarity. Shift your mindset. View budgeting as a tool to designing your ideal life, not a restriction. Okay, so what we can do, even also go and trim it. And if you don't want something here, we can just trim it out. Free. Damage comes when you associate budgeting with deprivation instead of empowerment and clarity. Okay, I go on this pass. I'm just going to trim it out. Okay, now next we can go and we can add background music. There are pre-loaded here. Let me select this one. I want this one. I really like this one. The music is 25. And now I'm just going to stitch the video. Then if I stitch the video, this will come out as a single complete video. But you can even select one of our clone voice. Okay, let's say I want to use my own voice here. Let's say Gaurav. So let me click on process so it will change its voice to Gaurav's original voice. Okay, let's hear it out.
Stop believing that budgeting is a punishment. It's actually the path.
It looks exactly like him. It sounds exactly like him. So let's change this as well. Okay. And let's change this as well.
The damage comes when we associate budgeting with deprivation instead of empowerment and
Okay, now let's stretch it and see the final output. This looks really amazing. Okay, so the final video has come out and it looks great. It looks like Gary. It sounds like him. I'm going to add this at the end of this demo video. Okay, so you can watch that. And here you can also generate hooks for different social media. So this is a title you can use while posting it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere you can use a description. Now, YouTube tags, hashtags, if you want to regenerate it, template generate it. Okay, so next, let me show you how to create a podcast into duo mode, which is best for two people in a studio for debates, question and answer, or controversy, those kind of podcasts. So let me name this as Dio Test or something. Okay, I'm going to select a host for this and a guest for this. Select for the guest. This select him. We want 16 seconds for this one. So I can show you quickly. And click on next. Niche at the end, I'm just going to select the predefined niche. Let's say business and entrepreneurship. So these are different kind of templates for duo mode, debate mode, question and answer, pick a side. Let's select agree or disagree. Most successful business begin with a great idea. That's a common win. Execution matters far more than the idea itself. Okay, so ideas are overrated. So this looks great. You can also regenerate it if you want. And let me select one of the studio we already have inside this app. Let us select. This looks pretty cool. Now let's go to next. Now this will generate our host and our guest inside the same studio. Okay, so that came up great. She's in the studio, Nere is in the studio, Tabro is in the studio as a guest. Now let's go and prepare the scenes. Click on generate video. And once this is generated, I'm going to generate this. Then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so both the clips are ready. And again, it's said in the timeline editor. We can disable or enable the caption. So let's change the size. I'm going to keep this at the bottom this time. Let's increase stroke. Let's change the highlight color to this. Maybe use yellow. Okay, now for the background music. Let's select this one. And I'd like to keep it 25%. I'm not going to do the voice customization. Let's use the voice that came out with the clip. And let's see if we need any trimming. Okay, it's stitched successfully. Let's go and check out the final video and how it came out. Yeah. No state formal. Okay, this look great. I'm going to add this at the end of this demo so you can check it out. Okay, again, can go and generate the hooks, hashtags, description, title, and everything to post it on the social media. And it's all ready to go. Also, you can go and check your project here, the completed project or your draft project. And you can see all the clips are generated that you can favorite and use them in your all the projects. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you really like the demo video and go and get a copy. Thank you so much, and I'll see you inside.
Stop believing that budgeting is a punishment. It's actually the path to financial freedom. The damage comes when we associate budgeting with deprivation instead of empowerment and clarity. Shift your mindset. View budgeting as a tool to design your ideal life, not a restriction.
Most successful businesses begin with a great idea.
That's a common myth.
Yeah.
Execution matters far more than the idea itself.
So ideas are overrated in the business world?
Absolutely. It's the ability to adapt and execute that truly defines success.